I recently went with one of my clients to his asylum interview, and here's some important things that I wanted to share. So when I was preparing my client, we did several preparation sessions for his claim, and he did a great job in sharing the details of his claim, his past persecution, and highlighting why he's seeking asylum. However, when we had the actual interview, my client got nervous and wasn't feeling the most comfortable, and he wasn't really sharing all the information that he needed to share. He kind of clammed up. And part of this makes sense, right? You're in front of an officer, you're sharing very intimate details about things that have happened to you and why you're afraid. And my client would not finish some of his sentences. He kept on saying, like, so I did this because, and then kind of left it hanging, assuming the officer knew what he was talking about. But the thing is, if he's not saying something, the officer is not writing it down. So he needed to articulate certain facts, and he didn't articulate all of those facts. The officer was very nice, and she pressed him on the details to finally get information out of him. And as an attorney, she wasn't very happy or open to me interjecting or clarifying for my client that you need to share these details. So your attorney cannot always just step in and share things for you if you forget them. So if this happens to you, like my client, what you need to do is take a pause. You need to go in there and share all the important details. If the officer doesn't ask you a question that's very relevant to your claim, you need to make sure you get that information in there. Because the thing is that you're not going to have another opportunity to have this interview. And even if it doesn't get approved at the asylum office, you need to get these things in the record so that it's there, and then it helps the officer to make a decision.